Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Let's learn to speak few Kannada words starting with the letter E. Pronunciations of few English letters throughout my lessons. Small n is pronounced as N as in number. Capital N is pronounced as N as in Ramayana. Small l is pronounced as L as in lucky. Capital L is pronounced as L. It's a unique character in Kannada. Small d is pronounced as the as in darshan. Capital D is pronounced as D as in dumb. Small t is pronounced as T as in tandoor. And capital T is pronounced as T as in tumbler. Let's learn to speak Kannada words starting with the letter E. First word, iti. Iti. It's known as thus or in this way. Itta. Itta. This side. Ityadi. See, in ityadi, we have two vataksharas for ta. One is ta vatakshara and one more is ya vatakshara. So it will become tya. So ityadi. Ityadi means etc. Ittige. Ittige means brick. Idiru. Idiru means front. Let's move to next slide. Iddakkiddante. Iddakkiddante. All of a sudden. Iddilu. Iddilu means charcoal. Innu. Innu means yet or more. Ibbani. Ibbani dew or mist. Irali. Irali let it be or so. Let's move to next slide. I suggest everyone to repeat after me the words so that you can pronounce it properly. You can make a habit of reading the Kannada language. So next word is Irulu. 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 Night. Ilakhe. Ilakhe. Ilakhe means department. Ili. Ili means rat or mouse. Ivaga. Ivaga. Ivaga means now. Illave. Illave. Illave means otherwise. Next slide. Illi. Illi means here. Ishta. We have ta vatakshara for sh. So we need to pronounce as shta. Ishta. Ishta. Like. Ishtu. Ishtu means this much. This much. Ilike. Ilike means reduction. Reduction. Indu. Indu means today. Today. So this is the last slide of today's session. Let's start. Impu. Impu. Impu means melody or joy. Ingala. Ingala means charcoal or carbon. Ingu. Ingu means asafoetida. Asafoetida. Inchara. Inchara means melodious voice. Let's see the last word of today's session. Inchu patti. Inchu patti means measuring tape. Measuring tape. So this is the end of the today's session. Subscribe to my Telegram channel Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page Kannada Kalike with Rekha and subscribe to my YouTube channel Reks Creations. Please find above links in the description. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadalu. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.